Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on addition without trading. There are many examples of addition sums that can be done without trading, using base 10 blocks. Example 1. Sally had 13 marbles and Heidi had 24 marbles. How many marbles were there altogether? So 13 marbles, we have a 10 and 3 singles. 24 marbles, you have a 10, 20 and 4 singles. When you put all those together, you end up with 3 longs, which is 30, and you end up with 7 singles, and that's 37. So altogether there were 37 marbles, and here they are. Example 2. Tom had 12 pencils, Harry had 13 pencils, and Wendy had 24 pencils. How many pencils were there altogether? So here's your 12, 10 plus 2. There's your 13, 10 plus 3. And there's your 24, 10, 20 plus 4 singles. When you put all those together, you get 4 of those longs, and you get 9 singles, so that's 49. Here's a very simple example where we just use singles, 4 plus 5. And when you put all those together, you just get 9, because there are no longs here. You just get 4 short ones and 5 short ones, which gives us 9 altogether, which are 9 singles. Using simple algorithms. Algorithms are just simple rules we use for addition, and we can use them for other operations too. This here represents the ones column, and T represents the tens column. So 62 plus 34, just put the numbers under each other. That's the most important thing. So there's the ones column, there's the tens column. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. Exactly the same here. 16 plus 63, everything's under each other. 6 plus 3 is 9, 1 plus 6 is 7, so that gives you 79. All these numbers here are under each other. When we add them up, 4 plus 2 plus 3 is 9, and 2 plus 1 plus 3 is 6, so the answer is 69. Put all those numbers here together and all those numbers here. So we've only been using the ones and the tens columns up to now. When you add all the numbers in the ones column, you get 9. You add all the numbers in the tens column and you get 9, and the answer is 99. We can also use addition without trading to solve simple problems. Ted had $123 in the bank and Henry had $465 in the bank. What was the total amount of money? So you just put the digits under each other here. So there's the ones column, the tens column, and we've introduced the hundreds column. But the rules are the same. Make sure the numbers are perfectly aligned in each column. 3 plus 5 is 8, 2 plus 6 is 8, 1 plus 4 is 5, so it's $588. The population of each of 3 small country towns was... Those 3 numbers represent the population of each of the towns. What was the total population of the 3 towns? We write down the 3 numbers in columns perfectly. The ones column, the tens column, and the hundreds column. Make sure you write them down. 324, 412, and 261. Add those up for 7. Add those up to get 9. And add those up to get 9. And you've got 997 people. At the 4 sports ovals in a town, the crowds for the weekend were those 4 numbers there. What was the total? Notice here, because you have 4 digits, there is a thousands column. So you got the ones, the tens, the hundreds, and the thousands. Put down the numbers together. 1, 2, 3, 1. Let's check they're correct. 4, 3, 2, 3. 2, 3, 1, 2. 2, 0, 1, 0. Add those up there to give you 6. Add those to give you 7. Add those to give you 8. And add those to give you 9. So 9,876. So addition without trading, a very simple process, but it's important to learn it. And it will help you solve simple problems. And later on we'll move on to doing addition with trading.